Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you DIY anti-aging cream that you can make at home using just only two ingredients. This cream is perfect for those who want to have a beautiful youthful face without spending a lot of money on expensive skincare products. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to prepare the ingredient. You will need half cucumber and some aloe vera gel. Peel the cucumber and cut it into small pieces. Then crush the cucumber until you get a cucumber juice. Next add some aloe vera gel to the cucumber paste and mix it well. Now it's time to apply the cream. Wash your face with water and pat it dry. Then take a small amount of the cucumber and aloe vera cream and apply it to your face. Massage gently in circular motion for a few minutes until the cream is fully absorbed by your skin. After applying the cream, leave it on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can relax and do some other activity during this time. And 15 to 20 minutes, rinse off the cream with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel, and that's it. You have now you have a DIY anti-aging cream that you can use regularly to keep your face looking youthful and beautiful. Cucumber is rich in antioxidant and has a cooling effect on the skin, while aloe vera gel is known for its memorizing and healing properties. Together they make a powerful combination that can help reduce wrinkles, fine lines and other signs of aging. And give it a try and let me know how it worked for you guys. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to anti-aging skincare. And that's it. You have your very own DIY anti-aging wrinkle cream. By using the cream regularly, you will notice your skin become more youthful, radiant and beautiful. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful,